So, Nasturtium, this is video 2, and it was 4 days ago I planted these. I should say that they take quite a long time, and you'll just notice, just here, look, that is splitting open, and it's gonna, and this one here. So that's right. Something's starting to happen. You might think it's not doing anything, but obviously in comparison to things in the garden, which take months and months, this isn't bad going. It's really not bad going. So it's still wet enough, I think. I might give it a little bit more, just why not? It's not going to harm it. Help it on its way. Bit more water, that back on, and do you know what? I did put the squash on it, and it was fine. It's fine. Happy days. Put it back in a dark place.